All right, she's working out pretty well. As you can see, it's a little easier every time I use it to get these latches in place. This was the first lawn of the day, so I wanted to go ahead and show you how the ramp's been working out. But yeah, just a quick little mowing slash cleanup. Leaves are starting to fall around here now. You know, some of the trees are, but we still got a good another month before we see any real fall. Start to see some yellowing on this here. Still a lot of trees though that haven't even seen a change of color yet. So just turned October. It's October 1st. So all right, on to the next one. Just wanted to mention we're on the way to the next job here, and big guy landscape. We're when we're loading up the walker on those new ramps on the dump trailer, somebody mentioned, you know, how steep of an angle it was. That was pretty much worst case scenario. The last one that you just saw in this video here, that's about the most angle that I've had to deal with so far. You know, it all depends on where you're parking, and you know, when you drop the ramps, if the ground behind it is lower or higher. So if you're gonna park on a hill, you know, and you can park like facing downhill, it makes less of an angle for the ramps, as I'm sure you know with any trailer for that matter, but that's always a good idea. But the other thing I do is I have this remote control for the dump that I will just leave in my pocket on days that I'm mowing. And what I can do with it is, if you raise up the dump body just about a foot or so, just to have a little bit of angle on the dump body, it actually lowers the angle of the ramps, as I'll show you on the next one as a demonstration, which then that allows you to have less of an angle on the ramps going up. You end up having a little bit of an angle of the dump that you're driving into, but that's no big deal. It's kind of more slippery than the ramps is, so you don't want to go too far with it, but you can certainly cheat that way and get a little less angle out of your ramps by doing it that way, which is really nice, especially if you're parked on a certain hill or an area that you need to kind of level out the dump. Another reason to have the power down aspect of the dump, which is really nice. And because if you didn't, and you just gravity down with having a load of grass in the back of your dump trailer, it would probably bang pretty good or slam down. I'm trying to think of a good place to park where I can set the camera up here. It's kind of a tight area. All right, just kind of park over here, and I'll demonstrate that in the next clip.